everybody, welcome to Abdul Basit Product. So first of all, we are going to create a new HTML file which is paragraphs.html, and in this paragraph we have to press the shift and exclamation and then tab for the boilerplate of HTML. So in the heading I will type the paragraphs for this, just because this is going to be our paragraph video. So for the paragraph we use the p tag and pressing enter. This is would make a paragraph for us and would create some random text by pressing lorem. How I created this, it's very simple guys. For example, you want to generate some random text, then press enter lorem and then hit tab, and this is some random text. Okay, how it's going to reflect on the screen and how paragraphs work with this, that's how these are two paragraphs which I just generated here. Okay, and if you guys want some headings for this paragraph, for example, I want some heading one which is like paragraph 1, paragraph 1, and I would also make as the same heading for the paragraph 2 actually. So here our paragraph 2 I created this heading and paragraph 2 actually. Okay, and after pressing the control S I would see all the changes on my like live server. This is our all the changes of the paragraph. So that's how paragraph works in the HTML. So that's how guys you understood the paragraphs. For now, this is how paragraph works. You can make sure that you have to click the screenshot from this so that it's no more repetitions for you for the paragraph topic. And I am creating 2 minutes concepts on these types of HTML. You guys can subscribe to my channel.